In my 20s, I explored a lot of makeup. I made mistakes and got a hang of it and incorporated that in my 30s and in my 40s right now. It's essential that I wear makeup and not the other way around. Knowing how to wear makeup will keep you looking gorgeous every single time.
Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, I will be sharing with you makeup tips for my black sisters in their 40s and above. In case you have no idea at all, just hang on. You will get a hang of it because knowing how to wear makeup is essential to you looking your best. Alright guys, let's do this. Let's go.
Tip number 1, skincare routine. Skincare routine should include a great face wash, toner, and moisturizer. You can also include exfoliating. Always use paper towel to damp your face. Now, makeup does speed up the aging process, so it is essential that skincare routine is part of your lifestyle when wearing makeup. And you should know that whatever you're using needs to be up to date, and you should plan to be consistent. Put a smile on your face while doing this, and do not forget to moisturize your lips after a skincare routine and before your makeup routine. Tip number 2, primer. Primer minimizes the pores but also helps to keep your makeup smoothly on your skin. It reduces the rate to which makeup sits on your skin, and like I said, do all of this smiling and apply it nicely. Third, your brows. I use pencils, I dab powder on my brows, and a spoolie helps me to make sure everything is in place. It kind of brings the whole makeup together. Next is the right foundation with the right coverage, medium, light, or full. Make sure it matches your skin. You can use a brush, your palm, or anything. Now, to make mine perfect, I usually use this rose water, and I use the dabbing method to make sure all of it is seated perfectly. Next is your eyeshadow. You want to use matte eyeshadows and your highlight, everything matte. Now, in doing all of this, you have to blend the colors so that you do not look out of place. So you're working with dark, medium shades, light shades, earth tone basically, and use a full brush to blend all of that together. Then it sits perfectly. Do not forget to add powder, but just a little bit of powder, and work your neck also. This is very, very important. Like I said, blending is important over your brows. Avoid your eyes if you already have eyeshadow on, and you want to add eye pencils to your inner eye like so. Look at the difference. So your choice. Next is, to this you want to blend off any spillovers of the black eyeshadow, the black eyeliner, sorry, and make everything look so perfect. Mascara, it takes your makeup from 0 to 100%, but make sure it is one that elongates your lashes. They are the best. You want to slow down on lashes, not all the time. So this is the basic routine I use when applying mascaras to my lashes. Last but not the least, you do not want to forget your lips. Now, this is a trick that I do when lining my lips. Look closely to the magic that is about to happen. Guys, it's just easy breezy. But is that all? Hey, I'm gonna be sharing makeup tutorial of this look in my next video. So just go with the flow with me here, guys. For my blush, I still use this matte color in orange. Then for highlight, I use a pigment, and these are the angles I apply them to. Bonus tip, do not forget to use brow gel on your brows to make them pop and look very natural. Do not forget you're in your 40s and above, so if you want to apply lip gloss to your lipstick, use a flat brush and apply like so. And there you have it, guys. We are beautiful.
Yay! How was that? We made it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you'll be able to put all of these tips and tricks into good use. Let me know how this video goes for you when you practice. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment or two, and share the video with another black sister. You don't know, you may be helping her. Alright guys, I love you. Mwah. Bye! Mwah.